Connecting an analog temperature sensor to the FTS Axiom Datalogger using the SDI-AM. This presentation shows how to wire an analog thermistor temperature sensor to the SDI-AM so that it can be read by the FTS Axiom Datalogger. In this example, we show how to connect a YSI 070-55034 water temperature probe to the SDI-AM. Many other thermistor temperature sensors follow exactly the same pattern of connection. This presentation complements FTS application note 700-AN-106. SDI-AM stands for Serial Data Interface Analog Module. The SDI-AM is a hardware device that provides the following things: analog connections for analog devices, analog to digital conversion of analog device readings, and an SDI interface to the data logger for control of and data acquisition from the connected analog devices. This diagram shows the standard circuit for a thermistor temperature probe connected to an SDI-AM. The next slide will show how this circuit is actually wired on the SDI-AM. This photograph shows the physical wiring of the circuit in the previous slide. The thermistor temperature probe is a sealed unit with a cable containing two wires. Note the connector blocks that correspond to the EX2, analog 1, and analog 2 elements in the circuit diagram. These are labeled on the SDI-AM case, but the labels are not clearly visible in this photograph. The temperature probe's white wire is connected to the analog 2 V+ connector. Its black wire is connected to the analog 2 ground connector. The reference resistor is connected between the analog 1 V+ connector and the analog 2 V+ connector. A jumper wire connects the EX2 0 to 5 volts connector to the analog 1 V+ connector.